Hey everyone, welcome back to Upgrade My Kitchen. Today we're diving into the T-fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set. If you've been searching for durable non-stick pans that are easy to clean and perform well, this might just be the one for you. I'll cover everything you need to know, including features, cooking tests, and user feedback. Let's get started. This two-piece set includes a 10-inch and a 12-inch pan, perfect for a variety of dishes, from frying to sautéing and searing. Made with hard anodized aluminum, these pans are durable yet lightweight. One unique feature is the Thermo-Spot heat indicator, which turns red when the pan is properly preheated, so you'll know exactly when to start cooking. Key features: titanium, non-stick coating, allows for smooth food release and easy cleanup. Dishwasher, safe, though T-fal recommends hand washing for the best longevity. Riveted silicone handles, comfortable and stay cool during cooking. Tempered glass lids, help you monitor food without losing moisture. Let's put these pans to the test. I'll start with eggs, a classic test for any non-stick pan. As you can see, the eggs slide off with no sticking, and cleanup is a breeze. Next, let's try a veggie stir fry to test heat distribution. The heat is even, with no hot spots. Finally, I'll sear some chicken. The pan achieves a beautiful golden brown sear without sticking. This set has over 38,000 reviews on Amazon, with a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. Here's what a few users had to say. Mitchell V. Raider Jr. impressed by the durability and mentions these pans hold up to daily use without warping. Catherine calls these pans her everyday go-to, noting they stay scratch-free after months. Cardione 1 praises the lightweight feel and even heat distribution. Pros and cons. To summarize, here are the main pros and cons. Pros: long-lasting non-stick coating, lightweight, durable material, Thermo-Spot indicator for precise cooking, dishwasher safe, comfortable, cool handles. Cons: not suitable for induction stovetops. Non-stick coating may wear over time if not handled carefully. So, is the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan set worth it? Based on its durability, user feedback, and our cooking tests, I'd say it's an excellent choice if you're looking to upgrade your cookware without spending a fortune. It performs well for daily cooking tasks and is easy to use. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to Upgrade My Kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.